I will be showing you how to make a 3D pyramid like this one, which will make it so you can see holograms. What you will need is some tape or glue, some plastic, something to measure with, and something to trace with. First, you will need to trace with the top base being 1.5 centimeters, the height being 6 centimeters, and the bottom base being 9 centimeters. You need to make one trapezoid with that, but it doesn't have to be the exact measurements as long as you use the same ratio as it. So you'll have to trace it out. So next you'll want to trace it out. I already have one of the trapezoids in. So I'm not sure if you can see the pencil marks, but once they're in, they are very light. You'll need some scissors. Next, once you have the dimensions, you can just cut it like that. All four of the trapezoids. Next, what you want to do is you want to assemble them into a net. So to make into a net, all you have to do is just tape them right next to each other, like this. So then it should look like this, something like this. There might be some tape on the edges like that. Now that you have it in a net, you're just one step away from making it into 3 dimensions once it's a pyramid. So next you just have to put it like this. Get some tape or whatever you're using to stick it. Then put the tape right there. And then just put it like this, and then it should be 3-dimensional now. Now that you have it, you just need to get another device. In this case, I have a phone. Open up YouTube like this. Search up 3D hologram video, and then you can just pick any of these. All they need to have is just 4 sides like that. Then you take the cube like this. You have to make sure it's not like this. It shouldn't be in the pyramid form, but like this, and just put it in the center of the screen. Now it should be in 3 dimensions. I'm not sure if you can see it or not through the camera, but for me it is. It looks really good. So what happens is that these 4 sides, since this is since this is clear and it's a 45-degree angle, at least it should be. It doesn't have to be exactly 45 degrees, but once it's 45 degrees, they'll all reflect back up here, and then you should be able, and then they conjoin into one. That's why all these trapezoids need to be the same length, and then they all look the same.